Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be doing a dictation in Spanish. This is for a level 1 student, probably about halfway through their course in high school or middle school would also work. The subject area is school. What I'm going to do for you is I'm going to read the text you see on your screen to you 3 times at kind of a normal speed. And what I want you to do is try and write down the words that go in those blanks. There are 8 words that are missing. Please note that right here, there's actually 2 blanks. Those are 2 separate words, and the first one is a little bit shorter, which is why I made the lines a little bit different. So I'll read 3 times, try and get the answers. At the end, we'll check your answers and also check for understanding of the text as well. So here we go. Mi clase de matemáticas es a las 10. En la clase, yo uso mi calculadora para los problemas grandes. El profesor enseña bien y me gusta la clase mucho. No hay mucha tarea. 2 more times. Mi clase de matemáticas es a las 10. En la clase, yo uso mi calculadora para los problemas grandes. El profesor enseña bien y me gusta la clase mucho. No hay mucha tarea. Last time. Mi clase de matemáticas es a las 10. En la clase, yo uso mi calculadora para los problemas grandes. El profesor enseña bien y me gusta la clase mucho. No hay mucha tarea. All right, so if you need to pause the video, pause it or replay it if you need to hear it again. I'm going to scroll down so you guys can see the full text, the words that were missing, and we'll make sure you understand it. Okay, so here are the words that we're missing. We're missing matemáticas, 10, calculadora, problemas, enseña, me gusta, and I. Take a second, see if you understand what that little paragraph is saying in English. Maybe translate it, and I'm going to translate it for you right now just to check for your understanding. So this paragraph says, my math class is at 10. In the class, I use my calculator for the big problems. The teacher teaches well, and I like the class a lot. There's not a lot of homework. All right, that's it for this video. If you have questions, let me know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Adios.